City and Fancy Cat Show.
Excuse me, sorry ma'am. Sorry.
Yes?
Would you help me please? I don't speak English well and I'm trying to get into contact with somebody and I can't understand them.
Hello?
Je ne comprends pas.
Yeah, the station, radio station 101, 101. Do you speak English?
Yeah. Them are telling us they win a prize here.
He just won $10 million.
You say you're the winner of 10 million.
I'm going to send you the money and you share it with the person before who could not speak English. Is that okay?
Yes.
How much I win? I don't buy a ticket.
Yeah,
could not
give me a Miss
speak
Chris.
English.
Can I talk to me near Miss Chris?
Why do you want?
Okay.
Yeah.
Why do you want
What's
my
your name?
Because they're talking English, dog.
I'm trying.
You win our money.
So how much of the 10 million do you want?
Yeah, several are off.
How much do you want out of the $10 million? 2 million, that's good.
I don't want to hear nothing from you.
No, honestly, you are a winner. You can get all the money too.
How me win it? How me win it?
What's your name, sir?
Well, I won't disclose my name to you because I think it's a goddamn Bandulo.
So which part think you can pick up the prize?
So when I don't know him, so you have to send it to me.
How much are you going to transfer to me?
No, if you win 10 million, me not give away half.
No,
So you not send nothing.
Since he doesn't speak English, can I send all the 10 million to you and you give him his half?
Yeah.
What time could I go to the bank?
Is your uncle?
No. Here?
You want to know your bank account. Tell him your bank account. You know the bank account.
So if I carry him up at the bank now? No, I'm money, you don't want to thief. You know, thief. Go away.
C'est quoi ça?
Bank Code Street.
Send me $500,000 first.
Oh, we are going to do it.
No, but I don't have that money. I have to get your money first.
Why, in cash?
In cash. Can you send me that right now?
Yeah.
Now I talk one of my friends here.
One of your friends?
Yeah. It's just simple. You just take whatever you need and send the remainder.
Yeah, thief. Go away. Me don't want to hear nothing from you.
What's your name?
Talk to the man, man. And me, I got with me, I'm tearing everything, man. Then you talk to the man.
So then listen to me now. So tell me the number that I'm going to send it to.
You want a tip? Take a
listen.
$200,000. Take a $200,000 tip.
You know the lotto scan?
Scam?
Yes, the lotto scam.
Him say you win 10 million, but all you ask to do is give him $500,000 and then you get your 10 million out of it. But that's all the scam they are going around with.
Alright,
Before bank closes.
You want to tell us, you see that's something I think now, because here you go now. You see that thing, you know, where I go now, that thing look like a scam, you see it?
Okay, I don't think I'm interested.
Alright. So we call you back here.
Tell them they are thief and lock off your phone.
I said it's a thief in business that moving up a Bandulo here, man.
Oh my God!
Merci,
Yes.
thank you.
You see, you don't gamble nothing.
Nothing done, Gossa.
Right.
You want 1 million and send 10 million, but you can't run so.
I tell Fancy Cat Show the part of job. You're going to give me so I never everything good. Right now, you are on the item
He win 10 million.
Yeah.
But he must.
Wednesday. This is a TV show that you Yes, man, the honor. Yeah.
No,